Typically, any home built before 1969 will have a galvanized service that is electromagnetically locatable. If the service is locatable, we will have a 99% success rate, since we will be able to mark the exact location and approximate depth of the service. We will never be able to 100% guarantee leak detection, because there is so many unknown variables that could limit us from being able to hear the leak, such as depth of the pipe, soil condition the pipe is buried in, which side the hole is on the pipe, how big of a leak you have, if there are loud areas from traffic, planes, or running equipment that could mask the noise of the leak, steep slopes, path of least resistance, etc. Any water services installed after 1969, due to code changes, are typically plastic, PVC, PEX, and poly lines. We have a 90% success rate listening for these leaks if the client is unable to insert the line with something metallic like a fish tape, because we can't send a signal through plastic lines to locate their exact location and approximate depth. We can still try to acoustically listen for services or which plastic services, but we cannot guarantee any acoustic pipe detection since it has so many limitations: depth of pipe, length of pipe, access points, size of pipe, T's and angles in the pipe, etc., and witching marks, since we are not sending any signals that can be received, guaranteeing the location of the line. Once we have established the location of the service, we will need an access point such as a hose bib that is not frost-free or a washer connection to insert our compressed air into the water service. Make sure no hot water is running or that the tank has been shut off at the breaker. If you shut off the breaker, make sure the tank is filled with water before turning the breaker back on. Once we have got everything set up and ready to begin listening, we will shut off the water at the water meter and let the air into the line, so we can listen for the air coming out of the line with our amplified listening devices that amplify any sound coming out of the ground up to 100 times. Any service over 300 feet in length will need to be divided at the halfway point with a valve so we have enough pressure to test the line accurately. If you have any leak detection questions, please give us a call at 253-826-1177. Thank you for choosing CNI Locates and have a great day.